We are the generation that refused to burn out, that kept the fire alive despite everything trying to extinguish our flame. They said we were too wild.